Hey everyone, look what I got in the mail. This is my envelope from Heritage Auctions. And I did open it, I did check everything out, but I wanted to show you guys what it's like to get a package from Heritage Auctions. Now, obviously, this side doesn't have my information, the other side does. Let's take a peek at what is actually in here. By taking out all this stuff, let me make sure. Oh, there was that. And anything else? Nope, nothing else in there. First of all, you get a flyer from Heritage Auctions listing all their upcoming auctions. That is helpful. Heritage Auctions, visit Heritage Auctions for the most current stuff. Special directory, so that's kind of neat to see all the different stuff, currency stuff. So yeah, that's cool. Now, I got this envelope. Important notice, if misplaced during shipment, please contact HCC. Okay, so this wasn't misplaced. It made it to me. Yes, this was sealed. So let's see what's in envelope number 2. Envelope number 2, making sure there's nothing else in there. Nothing else in there. Okay. This is neat. They sent me an actual handbook. Okay. This is a legitimate book. Okay. And what this is the Collector's Handbook. 13th edition, tax planning strategy and estate advice for collectors and their heirs. Heirs as in H-E-I-R, not E-R-R-O-R. Some people will argue it's one and the same. Anyway, to get an actual book with that kind of info in it is pretty cool, and that lets you know the type of place you're dealing with. I don't think eBay is going to send this book to you. I didn't look on the back. Yeah, here we go. It's got a sticker price of $14.95. There's the actual ISBN number. So this is a legit book, and I have not read it because I'm lazy. But yeah, it's a legitimate book about collectibles and stuff like that. And, like it says, tax planning, strategy, and estate advice. So that is interesting that they find it a necessity to put out that much there. Now, considering I paid so much more than my actual bid, I feel a little better getting something like this. All right, then we've got this little package here. And if I take the rubber bands off, first of all, we have this, which would be an invoice. Let's see, you guys know my name, so that doesn't matter. So we'll just go here. Lot description, there's the lot description. 1 complimentary handbook, free. It shows my hammer price of $95, my buyer premium of $29, the total of $124. Talked about that already. Add in the service and handling fee with an asterisk. Now, the reason for that is because if you ever want to get away with anything, you can call it shipping and handling, or like they do here, service and handling, because how much does it cost for all of this stuff? Meaning all the cardboard, the envelopes, everything else, the time to actually put it together. Those are all handling fees, and you can basically get away with charging any amount you want for those fees, as long as you make it known that that's the cost for those fees. So, yeah, kind of a sneaky thing for unscrupulous people, but yeah, that's why the word handling is different than shipping. Shipping is obvious. You can look at the envelope and see what it costs to ship it, but by putting handling in there, that allows a little bit of play. So my total invoice, of course, was $139.23, and of course I didn't pay that. I had to. Payments by credit card are subject to a 2.5% surcharge. The fee only applies to credit transactions and does not exceed Heritage cost of processing. Okay, so that's that. So yeah, the invoice, nothing on the back here. So that was the invoice of what I got. Now, I'm sure that if I would have bought multiple lots, I'm sure there'd be the buyer's premium for each lot. But of course, I don't think I'd be paying multiple service and handling fees. Next time I'll buy 2 lots and we'll see what happens. All right, then they have the package itself. I've taken the rubber bands off them. This is the nice cardboard, the really hard, thick cardboard. This is good stuff, rather than just taking a box and cutting it. This is thick, hard cardboard, good stuff there. And the items that I bought 2 items here. Well, they were one lot, so it's got the sticker here, lot number, auction number, and they were packaged in this sleeve together, like so, to make sure that they would be shipped together so they didn't lose them. So that is nice and handy. The 2 lots I got, let's see, FR 1291 SP, which refers to specimen. 3rd issue, 25-cent back specimen, graded, and the 1294 SP 3rd issue back specimen, graded 63. It says apparent small edge tear at left. And these are the 2 items that I got. Now, these are fascinating items, and one book's at 150, one book's at 125, so I made out okay. And I'm going to do a whole separate video on these as well. This video is simply just to show you what it's like to open a package from Heritage, what you should expect, and how it comes. Basically, highlighting the differences between a high-end auction versus getting something on eBay. Most of the time, people on eBay don't even get an invoice like this. They get a handwritten thank you, which is fine. That's what I do when I send something out. But yeah, when you're paying a buyer's premium and all the other stuff, yeah, they do their best to try to make it worth something. And I will take a look at this and just to see what's in here. Because like I said, this stuff pretty much came yesterday, and I haven't really had a chance to go through it all. But I wanted you guys to see firsthand exactly what it's like getting something from Heritage. All right, guys, that's what I've got for you right now. I'll see you again next week.